Welcome back to 50 Car. Some vehicles ask politely to be noticed. The 2025 Toyota Mega Cruiser commands your attention like a rolling fortress. This reborn behemoth is no gentle commuter. It's a bold declaration of Toyota's off-road supremacy and military-inspired engineering, brought to life for those who demand more than asphalt can offer. Main features: a spiritual successor to its 90s ancestor, the new Mega Cruiser is a full-size 4x4 SUV built to conquer deserts, rivers, and urban jungles with the same silent confidence. It boasts a reinforced chassis, all-wheel steering, locking differentials, and a rugged body designed to thrive where others surrender. Exterior design: the front grille is an armored gate, wide, matte black, and proudly bearing the Toyota emblem. The headlamps are narrow and LED-powered, piercing the night like a searchlight. Its boxy silhouette is a deliberate nod to its military DNA, featuring squared-off fenders, raised clearance, and tow hooks like iron fangs. The tail features vertical LED strips and a full-size spare wheel. Pros: indestructible presence. Cons: difficult parking and poor aerodynamics. Interior and dashboard design: step inside and you're greeted by a surprisingly refined battlefield. The dash is a blend of digital and analog instruments with a central 14-inch touchscreen housing Toyota's latest infotainment. Leather-trimmed seats contrast beautifully with the aluminum accents. Storage compartments are numerous, and the seating configuration can be customized for 6 or 8 passengers. Pros: roomy and ruggedly luxurious. Cons: bulky layout and limited third-row comfort. Performance: powering this Titan is a 3.5L twin-turbo V6 hybrid producing 420 horsepower and 500 lb-ft torque. It's no sprinter, taking 6.9 seconds to 60 miles per hour, but it pulls with relentless force. A 10-speed automatic transmission ensures steady power delivery across all terrains. The downside: fuel economy is lackluster, and tire replacements cost a small fortune. Max speed caps at 112 miles per hour because it's a bulldozer, not a rocket. Market positioning: priced at around $95,000, the Mega Cruiser targets adventurous drivers age 35-60 who crave a vehicle that dwarfs the competition, like the GMC Hummer EV or Land Rover Defender 130. It's less about comfort and more about command. Driving this beast feels like leading an expedition, not just a daily commute. Additional features: Toyota offers an off-road upgrade pack, roof-mounted solar panels, and heavy-duty skid plates. Warranty covers 5 years, 60,000 miles, but specialized parts may have limited availability.